In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix CapCut crashing on Android. If CapCut keeps closing unexpectedly or freezing, don't worry. Follow along and we'll walk through a few reliable Android settings that can stabilize the app. We'll start with developer options, adjust graphics preferences, clear cache safely, and make sure storage and permissions aren't getting in the way. Begin by opening your phone's settings. Scroll down to additional settings, then find developer options. If developer options are off, turn them on. Inside developer options, look for the setting that allows screen overlays in the settings app and turn it on. This helps prevent overlay-related conflicts that can sometimes cause crashes when you switch between apps or open system menus. Next, enable Always Show Crash dialog. While it sounds technical, this can surface useful error messages and reduce silent crashes. Still in developer options, locate graphics driver preferences. Open it, find CapCut in the list, and select System Graphics Driver for CapCut. Using the system driver can improve compatibility on certain devices and reduce rendering glitches that trigger app closures. Now go back and free up a bit of space on your device. Low storage is a common cause of crashing. Then open CapCut, tap the settings icon inside the app, choose Clear Cache, and confirm. Clearing cache removes temporary files without deleting your projects, which can smooth performance. To check storage more thoroughly, open Settings, go to About Phone, then Storage. Review what's taking up the most space. Use the Clear or Clean option to remove junk files. If needed, uninstall apps or games you no longer use and delete large files you don't need. Keeping some free space available helps CapCut run more reliably. For the second process, open Settings again and scroll to Apps, then tap Manage Apps. Find CapCut and open it. Go to Other Permissions and enable Display pop-up windows while running in the background, along with the other required permission toggles shown there. These permissions help CapCut process tasks without being abruptly blocked in the background. Go back to the app's battery saver section and make sure the settings there allow CapCut to run smoothly without strict background restrictions. Finally, in the CapCut app info page, tap Clear Cache again and confirm to tidy up any remaining temporary files. After these adjustments, open CapCut and you should be able to edit without crashes. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more CapCut tips and tutorials.